My name is Yujue Wang. I am a graduating student in Chiang Mai University and come from China. My presentation total have 5 parts. The first part is the introduction. About the introduction, first I will explain the importance of national image. Nowadays, national image as a soft power have more and more people and the country attention, and already have scholar proves a good national image will affect a country's foreign trade, and a positive national image will increase the scale of exports. Besides, mass media is very important for a national image to enter the international community. And it is the most effective tool and power for shaping a national image. Second, I will explain the importance of trade export. In 1937, the British scholar Robertson says foreign trade as an engineer of economic growth and point out the developed country can promote their economic growth through foreign trade, especially export trade. So export trade can increase a country wealth, and China is a good example. Next, these slides will explain the relationship between China image and the export trade. The figure 1 shows the China export from 2001 to 2018. As we can know, it is have upward trend. Since China joined WTO in 2001, China export increasing by 6 years and become trade number 1 in 2030. But there is a small fluctuation from 2015 to 2017. Next, let's see the figure 2. The figure 2 shows the China image from 2030 to 2018, and the data obtained by simple surveys and questionnaires. Next, we will compare the two figures. As we can see, in 2015 to 2017, there is a fluctuation in China export. At some time, developed countries' views on China developing from 5.5 to 5.4, it is decreased. So we think the developed countries' perception of China image decrease may be lead to a fluctuation in export because the share of the developed country in China export more than developing country. So I want to study the impacts of China image on export trade. The second part is data and the methodology. About the scope of my study, first, the time period from 2001 to 2018, because after China joined the WTO in 2001, have more and more people and country attention. Second, this paper will select 29 countries as research objective because the export share of this country and regions account for China's total export of more than 18%. Finally, this paper will research 5 products, include primary products, intermediate products, capital products, and consumption products, and other products. Next, about model specification. There are 3 models to study my topic. Model 1 use the definition of tone in G-delta. The calculation of the tone of coverage of China image is as follows: equation 1 and equation 2. The G-delta project is a tool for research big data. It is a real-time network diagram and the database of global human society for open research. And model 2 use the gravity model to study the impact of China image on export trade. Is as follow equation 3. Model 3 also use the gravity model to study difference in the impact of China image on different products. Next, let's see the table 1. This table shows a definition of all variables. In my research, there are 6 independent variables and 2 dependent variables. And the CRM variable shows China image. The data source is GDS database. The figure 3 shows the step of ARDL model analysis, and I will follow the step to get my result. Next, the part is to show the empirical result. First, to study perception of China, to study the perception of trade partner on China image. The results show majority of Chinese trading partners have a positive views of China from 2001 to 2014, but a negative views from 2015 to 2018. And the maximum return is 9.07 from the Unity Arable Emirates in 2001, and the minimum return is negative 3.156 from Thailand in 2019. Next, the table shows the panel unity root test result. In conclusion, all variables are stationary at level 0 or level 1 under 5% significant level. So this report could apply the panel ARDL model. Next, the table shows estimation result about impact of China's image on export trade. In long run, China image is significant at 5%. It is represents the negative relationship between China's image and export. And in the short run, China's image is not significant. It maybe indicates the national image is a variable that requires long-term accumulation. Next, I will to study China image have effect of export for different types of products. The table 4 shows the result. In conclusion, at the long run, we find the capital goods and the consumer goods classified by BEC are significantly affected by China image. Among the perishable goods and the other goods classified by SITC, both the products are significantly affected by China image. And in the short run, we find the perishable goods are affected by China image at a 5% significant level, and the intermediate goods are affected by China image at a 10% significant level, and other products are not significant. However, according to the result, China image and the products have negative related in the long run, not consistent with the actual zero. So it may be necessary to conduct further research. Last part shows the conclusion of my paper. First, according to the panel ARDL test result, China image have significant impacts on export, and the impact are heterogeneous across type of products export. In particular, China image have greater impact on perishable goods and the intermediate goods, especially in the short run. So if China image is matched with a specific products, it will have a greater synergy and have a better export performance to the products. Second, therefore, this report have reference rule in studying the influence of national image and international trade. At the same time, for China, it is possible to properly take soft power seriously and consider enhancing the national influence. through effort to increase the rate of international discourse, thereby improving the handling trade barriers encountered during export. And this is my reference literature.